This is the best cheat code for memorizing Quran. I only partially applied this for a few months in COVID and it changed everything. Welcome to day 49 of trying to memorize the Quran with 0 mistakes. And today, finally, we are going to go through how I mark mutashabihat. If you don't know what mutashabihat are, they are the similar verses in the Quran. I'd say they account for like 90% of people's mistakes. And I'm going to go through it step by step, just like how I would normally mark them down. So over here we have Surah An-Nas. And right on top of it is Surah Al-Falaq. Now the first verses are obviously the ones that have the similarities present. And you want to mark down what's similar and what's the difference. So I'm gonna underline everything that is similar. Double underline in green is what I do. I'm gonna do that for Surah Falaq, and I'm also gonna do that for Surah An-Nas. Now that we've highlighted the similar portions, I highlight the differences. I do so by bold underlining in green, but that's not all though. You want to highlight and reference as well. I reference in the outer margins over here. Just make a bracket outward and then write the surah number and the ayah number as well. So this is Surah 113, ayah number 1. Underneath the dash, I put the cross reference that you could get confused with. So the other mutashabihat. So 114, ayah number 1, that's Surah An-Nas. The whole point of marking mutashabihat is making it easy for you to know where the difference is. So what I do is mark down exactly what the difference is underneath. In this case, it's just one word. An-Nas. Now I would do the exact same thing for Surah An-Nas down here. So this is Surah number 114, ayah number 1, dash 113, colon 1, and I would write Al-Falaq. Okay, so now that's the gist of it. If you're using a PDF like mine, what I like to do is do hashtag MUT. I could use the search function, type hashtag MUT. The list of the mutashabihat will show up. And that's super helpful if you want to run through all of the mutashabihat you've marked in the Quran so far. That's in a nutshell how you could mark mutashabihat. Of course, mutashabihat can be a lot more complex than that. And tomorrow's day 50. I forgot my hat again. Alright, see you guys tomorrow for day 50. Assalamu alaikum.